After the production of pocket spring strips, they will be automatically conveyed to the high-speed pocket spring assembly machine. The design shown on the site is 1 to 3. We can also design 1 to 2. Lienro will provide the most cost-effective equipment design solution according to your production capacity requirements. LR/PSA 99P is a very mature product, with speed up to 17 to 19 rows per minute, stable performance, easy operation, CE compliance, support for zoning, and the function of edgeless cutting and laying. After the spring strips are glued, they can be sent to the new product pocket spring unit upgraded module for Q, which is available for the upgrade and transformation of the existing spring gluing machine to add the function of reinforcing the sponge around the spring. Just put the sponge strips into the storage platform. This machine will automatic assembly of sponge strips on 4 sides and greatly optimizes the production capacity.